Hi guys, Steph here. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful pen. What we have for you here is a Omas Extra, I think they term this as the Grand fountain pen, or it may be the Senior. Now this pen, this Omas Extra, is from the very early 1930s, maybe around about 1932. Now as far as I'm aware, they made them in, I think, about 3 or 4 different colours. I've actually seen a ladies version. I'm not sure of the other sizes, but this one I believe to be the biggest one, the Senior or the Grand, and size wise, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's 139 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a lovely chunky 13 millimeters in diameter, and as you can quite clearly see, it comes in this gorgeous sort of faceted design. I believe they also made just a straightforward plain round model, but this one, as I said, in this lovely faceted marbled blue celluloid. An absolute gorgeous pen. It came to me from a good customer. It came in for a service, so I've put a new sack in it, cleaned everything internally. We've given it a gentle polish because obviously we've got to watch the gold plated trim, and obviously with it being this sort of faceted pattern, it's a little bit more difficult to polish. So we've been very careful, and hopefully he'll be more than happy with his pen. But as I say, the Omas Extra fountain pen, as we've just said, it comes in this gorgeous sort of blue marbled colour in celluloid material. Let's go straight to the barrel imprint, and there you go. Nice and simple. Omas Extra. That's all it says on the barrel. Nice and plain. In my opinion, superb. There's no sort of registered trademarks, etc, etc, just simply Omas Extra. You can see it's got this quite a sort of plain lever here. Okay, and then if we take you up to the cap, have a look at that beautiful cap. You can see the band there. It's got a very wide sort of band in the middle with these 2 thinner bands to each side, and you can see the pattern of the band in the middle is this lovely sort of stylized Greek design. Again, absolutely beautiful. Let's take you up to the clip. Once again, a lovely, quite a plain clip, but as you can see to the bottom, it's what we term as the wheel end pocket clip. Okay, there's a sideways view, and it says what it says. It's got this little wheel to the end there that helps it go into your shirt pocket or jacket, whatever. To the very top there, we've got this slight peak to the top of the cap there, and that matches the end of the barrel there. Also has this slight peak to the end of the barrel. As I say, an absolutely stunning pen. This one I believe to be the top of the range within that particular period, within the Omas Extra fountain pens. Incidentally, just a little sort of bit of information, this ball-ended clip there, I believe they sort of discontinued that around about 1938. Okay, but I believe later on in years they reinstalled it on some of the other pens, because the Omas pens, as some of you will know, they made lots of different models. This sort of faceted one, for you people that are in the know, will look at it and think, oh yes, it looks very similar to the sort of the wall Doric fountain pens, and well, yes it does, but it's a lovely Italian made Omas fountain pen. Let's undo the cap for you. Let's give you some of the customary twirls. As I say, it's been fully serviced, everything's been cleaned, it looks absolutely beautiful, and to be quite honest with you, it's going to be very, very difficult sending this pen back, because I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. The colour, again, the blues are my favourite. It's absolutely beautiful. There you go, there's the section, just quite a plain black section with this slight peak towards the nib. Let's show you the nib. It's got a lovely large nib, and you'll see it reads Omas. To the centre it's got a triangle with 585, and then to the bottom the word extra. Okay, let's give you a different view. Lovely, lovely nib, and I say quite a large nib as well. There's a sideways view for you. Let's turn it over, and there's the feed. We've got quite a standard sort of ladder feed of this particular period, although saying it, when I was cleaning it, the feed is actually quite a large feed as well, which obviously is needed for this large nib. Absolutely gorgeous. And the size of the pen, I've got large hands, as I've said many times, and it's a lovely, lovely pen to hold. In fact, I'm going to be looking out for one of these. I think I could do with one of these in my collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, because it came in for a service and just a general sort of tidy up, I'm not going to fill the pen, because I'll leave that to the owner. He can actually put whatever ink he wishes in the pen, but let's just see how the pen writes. So what we'll do a dip test. So let's dip it in the ink, and let's see how the pen writes. So we've got an Omas Extra, and as I say, it may be what they term as the Grand or Senior model. It's one of the largest within the range. Let's give it another dip. I say obviously, but maybe not to some people, but made in Italy, and again the early, well, I think around about 1932, as we said, yeah, I'd say around about 1932. It's writing very nicely. Does it have any flecks? Well, the answer is yes, it does. Let's just give it one more dip, and let's give it some figure of eights. And there we have it. So on the downstroke we can get sort of quite a medium to broad line. On the cross stroke you can see we're getting a fine, it's actually writing with a fine line with a little bit of flexibility, but writing very nicely indeed. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's just give the nib a little wipe, and what we'll do, we'll clean the nib before it's on its way to Italy, to its new owner. Well, not its new owner, its current owner, Alberto. So I hope you like your pen, Alberto. and if you ever get fed up with it, you know I will give it a lovely home. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this beautiful pen as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you possibly can, please support my work, and don't forget people, all around the world we've still got a little bit of a problem, so please stay safe. But for now, from me and this beautiful Omas Extra fountain pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.